All right. We've got an unboxing video today. I just recently purchased the Insta360 X3. The bundle that I purchased came with the motorcycle mount, the invisible selfie stick, and I was able to purchase a little bit of extra odds and ends, and I'm gonna share that with you guys today. Hopefully Marley will stay out of the way. So I suppose we can start with the most exciting part, which is the camera. Now I'm going to be honest with you guys, I've already taken the plastic off. I've taken the unit to have it nice and charged because I will be wanting to play with it today. The box is very well packed. The company itself actually, I believe, has a really nice way of packaging their shippings because they not only tape the box, but they actually glue the box shut on top of taping it. So it was definitely safe on its way here from China. So again, within the Insta360 X3 box, you've got the camera, which is really nice. I'll show you guys a little bit of a close-up here. Sorry for the fingerprints, but yeah. So here's the camera. There's a little door here. The little door allows you to charge you via USB. We've got the battery, which is replaceable, which I believe is really neat. I will be purchasing another set of 2 batteries along with the charging base in the near future. So camera, charging cord, it's really nice, it's fairly long. A little case that you can slide over top of your Insta360 for safekeepings within your backpack. So that'll be really useful for me because I'm very often carrying everything in my backpack. There's instructions, your warranty manual, a couple of 360 stickers. Stop biting my stuff. Marley, stay away from the nice things. You're gonna break them. Let's go with the motorcycle mount. So I was very impressed. This motorcycle mount is about, I believe, $60 online, and for whatever reason I ended up having it for free. It was part of my kit. The bundle that I was buying came with a free motorcycle mount, the Insta360, and a discount on the actual unit. So I was very impressed with this. This is a heavy box, a hefty box I should say. It has a lot of gear in it, much more than I ever anticipated. So I'll show you guys here. It's basically a bunch of what looks like GoPro clips. There's tons of it here. There's little sticky tabs and whatnot. Amples of ways and methods to mount your camera on your motorcycle. So here's bag 1. We've got bag 2, which is the clamp. This is where everything sits together if you want to have it on a quick disconnect with a little clamp here. It looks very sturdy, it feels sturdy. This is all metal pieces with a little bit of rubber inside of it. So this guy here will clamp on whatever you want it to. You tighten down and then add this guy on there, like so. Now you can either use these guys, right? I would trust this. It's very sturdy. And we have also got, this is also metal, guys. So we've got the unicorn clip attachment for the helmet. So basically you install that on top of the helmet and it'll make it look like you're flying. So this is the motorcycle bundle. Like I say, it comes with a whack load of attachments, different clips for different occasions. So this will all be really nice. I went ahead and I bought myself some extra security. Now, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I always like making sure that my technology is going to be nice and safe. this here gave me a couple of options. Not only is it all made out of metal, so it's a metal casing that my Insta360 is now going to sit in. It comes with a little rubber pad so you can keep your lenses nice and safe. This piece here kind of comes in like the GoPro clip, so you can pull the little legs down and add extra attachments on here like microphone and light, whatever the case may be, and you still have the option to screw into the bottom, so you don't need to use the little legs, but it's optional. I think that's really great. I think that's an amazing setup that they definitely didn't miss on an opportunity to make it better. So let's see how it all fits inside of this beautiful case now, because I've been curious. I received this box yesterday, and I'll be really honest with you, I've been staring at every single piece of it since it's come in. I didn't really want to open too many of the boxes, just in case I wouldn't be able to put it back together to kind of show you guys how it all worked out. But here we go. So we now have the unit in its metal rig. The Insta360 small rig is what it's called. Whenever I won't be using the device, you know, you just plop the little rubber piece over top, like so, and it keeps your lenses nice and safe and secure. So I kind of like this piece. It's very sturdy. It feels like it'll give it a little bit of extra protection. Now I have to be honest, the screen is a little bare, much more than I anticipated, but it is what it is. There's a couple of extra pieces in here, mounts for the side, so if I wanted to put this on here and have another unit connected to your rig. Now I went, like I said, and I bought some extra things, extra security. Now there's some sticky lens guards. I'm not sure if this is gonna distort, but yeah, we will see. It basically comes in small little packaging. It tells you how to install it, step 1, step 2. Most of the instructions are in Chinese here, but they do have English for now, just so I don't damage these. I'll set these aside until I can place them on. So again, they're just the lens caps. You set them on the front and the back of the unit and keep it nice and safe. 2 more things to go through. I had to check how many boxes still had stuff in it. So we currently have a microphone adapter, which I think is going to be very important for me on the motorcycle. This will allow me to plug an aftermarket microphone into my unit. Cute little box. So we've got once again some manuals and warranty cards. Set those aside, make sure they are nice and safe. Now I have to admit, guys, this piece is much smaller than I anticipated. It feels a little bit flimsy, like a very empty plastic. It was about 30 bucks. But yeah, it's supposed to replace our little door, and this guy just clamps onto here. Plugs into your USB-C, like so. So now this unit, guys, they've made it so that if ever you use the invisible selfie stick, it knows not to show this piece, a little bit like the selfie stick itself. So this here again is it's pretty neat. It's got an auxiliary hole, and we've got a USB-C, so you don't really need to remove this to get it up and charged. But for the sake of not losing it for now, I'm going to put it back in its box and put my regular door back on. And then we've got our selfie stick, our famous invisible selfie stick. So it's very nice. It feels like aluminum. And it stretches fairly far. So right now, and now we've got our invisible selfie stick. So I'll be playing around with this over the course of the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned for some videos, as I will be trying it out. Even though it's not motorcycle related, I'll definitely be trying to familiarize myself so that when the season comes around, I'm not confused and lost as to how to function my unit. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope if you're interested in purchasing your own Insta360, I'll leave a link in the comment sections below or even the description section. Well, again, thank you for watching. Now the fun begins.